Hello, everyone. I would like to share with you today one of the Blue Jays' favorite stories. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. If you remember it, you are welcome to sing it with me. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. Why, oh, why did she swallow the fly? Oh my, sing it. Oh my, she swallowed a fly. That little old lady was walking along, enjoying the sunshine and singing a song, when all of a sudden a fly flew south. And it ended up flying right into her mouth. The fly said, "Where am I?" That poor old lady, what to do? Imagine if that had happened to you. That fly now buzzes and tickles her tummy. She didn't think that it tasted so yummy, but suddenly she had an idea to make that naughty fly disappear. To catch the fly, she swallowed a spider. Now she has them both inside her. Oh my, sing it. Oh my, she swallowed a fly. Feeling just a little queasy, certainly not so bright and breezy. She spots a heron sitting on a nest. I wonder if you can guess the rest. How absurd! She swallowed a bird! Oh my, sing it! Oh my, she swallowed a fly. Now pretty kitty sits and purrs. From behind her something stirs. Before poor puss had time to flee, she's washed down with a cup of tea. Imagine that! She swallowed a cat! Oh my, sing it! Oh my, she swallowed a fly. Now, by this time, it's getting dark. Prince the dog plays in the park. But poor old Prince just does not see the old lady lurking by that big old tree. Poor Prince. That old lady's tummy is about to burst. She wished she thought more carefully first. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. Swallow the cat to catch the bird. Swallow the bird to catch the frog. Swallow the frog to catch the spider. Swallow the spider to catch the fly. If only that fly had just flown by. Oh my, sing it. Oh my, she swallowed a fly. Oh my, she swallowed a